Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Google Gemini AI. And don't worry, I will keep it simple, clear, and straight to the point. So let's get started. But first, what exactly is Gemini AI? Gemini is Google next generation's AI tool that built right into Google products. That it helps you write, create, search smarter, and even generates content with just a few prompts. Like, just think of it as your smart assistant that works across Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Drive, and more. Next, to use Gemini, you can download it from the Play Store, and it will look like this. The app will look like this. But if you want the full set of features, just open it on your browser. For example, I will open it from Chrome browser, and then just log in with your Google account, and it will look like this. And once you're in, you will see a clean, simple chat interface that is very similar to other AI tools. Next, just type your questions or comment in this box, and then just enter, and Gemini will instantly respond. For example, let's say you need help writing an email, so just type like this. As you can see, Gemini automatically generates a clean, ready-to-send draft for you like this. And next, maybe you are looking for the contents idea, so you can also ask Gemini like this. Like this. As you can see, you will instantly get a creative list of video ideas like this. And besides that, Gemini also comes with powerful tools. You will find options on the tools icon, this one, just tap on it. And then you will find options like deep research, create videos, or even it also has a new feature, create image, and then canvas, guided learning, and more. And then Gemini also have Gems tools. This one, it's tool that for repetitive tasks, and even the ability and even you can also build your own custom gems to support your workflow. Just click on explore gems, and then just click on new gem. And also Gemini directly connected to other Google services like Gmail, Google Calendar, Docs, Drive, and many more. And even it also connected to GitHub, and then Google Flights, Google Hotels, Google Maps, and YouTube, and even YouTube Music. And okay, that's it. That's how you use Google Gemini step by step. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.